Today we are making the juiciest, most flavorful chicken fajitas in the Ninja Crispi air fryer. You will need 1 large onion and 2 bell peppers. Cut your bell peppers in half, remove the stems, and then shake out the seeds. I find that tapping them on the cutting board helps to shake out most of the seeds. Next, go ahead and cut your bell peppers into 1/2-inch slices. This will allow for even cooking and give the fajitas a natural sweetness from the bell peppers. And fun fact, bell peppers are very high in antioxidants, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect our eyes against macular degeneration and cataracts, so keep eating those bell peppers. Next, cut off the ends off of the onion, slice in half, remove the peel, and cut into 1/4 to 1/2-inch thickness. The thinner the slices, the more caramelized your onions will be. So if you want to get those really thin caramelized onions, cut them 1/4 inch thick. Next, add everything to a large mixing bowl. Next, we add 3 chicken thighs and slice to 1/2 inch thickness. They are juicy and flavorful, but you can also use chicken tenders as an alternative. For the seasonings, we'll start with 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. We will then drizzle avocado oil all over and then give this a good toss. I'm going to drizzle a little bit more avocado oil, and if you're worried about adding too much oil, don't worry. It's going to drain to the bottom of the air fryer along with the excess fat. You will want a light orange color coating your fajitas, and I see that I'm not getting that, so I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon of taco seasoning. Now that it is evenly coated, we can go ahead and pour everything into the Ninja Crispi air fryer and make sure you are putting it on top of the crisper rack and spread evenly. This will allow proper airflow and caramelization. Set the timer for 10 minutes and use the air fryer setting. After 10 minutes, you are going to want to give this a good toss to get an even char. I've been using the Ninja Crispi for over 5 months, and this is the secret to even cooking. Next, air fry for 7 more minutes and use the air fryer setting. Check the internal temperature of your chicken thigh and make sure it is 165 degrees Fahrenheit or more. I will link to my favorite thermometer below. And there you go. Now you have the most delicious, flavorful chicken fajitas, and they are so good. Serve these with warm corn tortillas and your favorite toppings. I like to add fresh lime juice and some sour cream. I normally add homemade salsa, but I ate it all because it was so good. But there is a recipe to Ninja Crispi air fryer salsa on my channel. Now for the moment of truth, the taste test. Absolutely amazing. For more healthy air fryer recipes, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check out my blog for over 200 recipes and wellness tips.